Make a wish and blow a candle. Alright, palapakan naman natin si Angel Heart. Happy first birthday to you. And now, Mommy and Daddy, ano po, Mama and Papa, ano pong ating birthday wish for your daughter?
Si Mami.
Siyempre, yung birthday wish ko for my daughter is for her to be a good girl, to grow up very smart, obedient, and a God-fearing young lady. So I really hope and pray that she will have a very good future. Her dad and I are always here to support her. We love her so much. We love you, Angel Heart. Happy birthday! Thank you.
Palapakan naman natin si Mama. And of course, si Angel Heart, ang ating birthday girl. Alright, now this is your chance to have a photo op with Pixie. Okay, come on kids, unahan na kayo, harap kayo sa camera now. Alright. Dali, last